In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Replit project to GitHub. It's a straightforward process, but it can really enhance your workflow by allowing you to version control your code. So let's jump right in and get started. First, we'll begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Replit. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Home section. This is where you can manage your projects and settings on Replit. It's a good idea to be already logged into your Replit account, but if you're not, go ahead and do that now. Next, after you're in the Home section, we're going to look for the Integrations option. This button is typically located in the menu. Clicking on Integrations will open a new screen that shows all the different services you can connect to your Replit account. It's like a central hub for all the tools you might want to use in conjunction with Replit. Now, the next step is to find GitHub among the options in the Integrations menu. GitHub is one of the most popular version control platforms, and many developers use it to keep their projects safe and organized. Browse through the list until you spot GitHub. Once you find it, simply click on it to proceed. After clicking on GitHub, you'll be prompted to sign in. This step is crucial because it's going to link your Replit account to your GitHub account. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Signing into GitHub from the Replit interface might involve authentication, for example, entering your GitHub credentials or confirming access permissions. This is just a security measure, ensuring that everything is connected safely and securely. So by following these steps, you're essentially authorizing Replit to interact with GitHub on your behalf. This connection allows your Replit projects to sync with GitHub repositories. It's perfect for collaborative work or if you just want to keep a backup of your work on a reliable platform. These are the steps you'll need to follow to connect your Replit project to GitHub. It's a straightforward process, as you've seen, but it opens up a lot of possibilities for managing and sharing your code more effectively. With version control, you can track changes, collaborate with others, and navigate your coding projects with greater confidence. That's all there is to it. Now your Replit projects are connected with GitHub, ready to take advantage of more robust version control features. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and that you feel more confident in managing your projects across platforms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Happy coding!